Hi, we'll talk today about adding and subtracting polynomials. A polynomial in the variable x is an expression of the form an x to the power n plus a n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1, and we will continue that until we reach a1 x plus a0. Okay, let's move from this boring explanation and see some cases. So, we have the first case here, we have 2x to the power 2 minus 3x plus 4. The first thing that you can notice here that we have 3 terms. So, we are calling this polynomial a trinomial. Okay, and the terms for this trinomial are 2x squared minus 3x and plus 4. These are the terms of this trinomial. And the degree for this trinomial is 2. Why 2? Because x here has 2 as a power, x here has 1 as a power, so we have to take the bigger number. Let's see the next case. So the next case, we have x to the power 8 plus 5x. Let's see. So we can notice here that we have 2 terms. So it's binomial. And the terms are x to the power 8 and plus 5x. So we have 2 terms. And the degree for this polynomial or binomial is 8, because we have here power 8 and here we have power 1. 8 is greater than 1, so the degree is 8. So the degree is 8. Okay, let's see the next case. So the next case is 8 minus x plus x to the power 2 minus a half x to the power 3. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So we are just calling it 4 terms polynomial. Okay, so the terms are 8 and minus x and plus x squared and minus a half x to the power 3. So these are the terms of this 4 terms polynomial. Okay, so the degree for this polynomial, you can notice here that we have 1 here, we have a 2 here, we have a 3 here. So we have to choose the bigger number, which is 3 here. So this polynomial is of degree 3. Okay, let's see next case. So the next case is 5x plus 1. So if you can just notice here, we have 2 terms. We have 2 terms, so we are calling it binomial because we have just 2 terms. And the terms are 5x and plus 1. So we have 2 terms, which is 5x and plus 1. You can notice here that we have here x to the power 1 and we don't have another x, so we'll just take it as degree. So this polynomial or binomial of degree 1. Let's see the next case. So we have 9x to the power 5. So if you can notice here that we have just one term here, so it's monomial. So it's monomial, and the terms are basically they are just one term here, so we'll have 9x to the power 5, and the degree is, you can notice that we have just one x to the power 5, so the degree is 5. Okay, let's see the next case. So the next case is just a 6. So 6 is nothing but one term, as you can notice here, and is monomial, and the terms are just 6, and the degree is 0, because here basically we have x to the power 0, so the degree here is 0, because x to the power 0 is nothing but 1, so it's nothing, it does not exist, so the degree here is 0. Basically, if you find any number, the degree of it is 0. Let's see an example. So example 1 part A gives us this long expression and wants us to simplify it. Let's see. So the first step, we have to combine the like term with each other. So here we have x to the power 3, and here we have x to the power 3, and its summation, so we will have 2x to the power 3. Here we have a minus 6x to the power 2. Here we have a plus 5x to the power 2. So when we are summing these two terms, we will have minus x squared. And here we will have 2x, and here minus 7x. So the final solution will be 5x. And here we will have 4. Here we have nothing, so we'll have here plus 4. So if you look at this solution, you'll notice that we cannot simplify it more. Basically, we cannot sum this term with this term, because here we have power of 2 and here we have power of 1. So we'll just leave the answer at this form. Let's see part B. So in part B we have the same expression, but we have a minus here. So the first step is to distribute this minus. So we have to distribute it into this expression here. So let's see what we will have. Let me first write the first expression as it is. So we have x to the power 3 minus 6x to the power 2 plus 2x plus 4. And then we will have sum, so a summation, and this minus we will just put it here inside, but we have to multiply it with all the terms that we have. So we will get minus x to the power 3 minus 5x to the power 2 and plus 7x. Okay, so now we have the normal form that we have solved in part A in this example, so we'll just sum. So let me start with x to the power 3, and here we have minus x to the power 3, so it will just be cancelled. So this term will just go to this term. Okay, so here we have a minus x to the power 2, and here minus 5x to the power 2, so we will have minus 11x to the power 2. Okay, here we will have 2x, here we have 7x, so we will have plus 9x. Here we have plus 4, here we don't have a number, so we'll just get plus 4 here. And if you can see here we have power of 2, here we have power of 1. This term is a constant, so this expression cannot be simplified more, so this is the last solution. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video, and goodbye.